Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you're interested in everything mechanical, this is the video for you. Amos Power is an American company that specializes in developing fully autonomous agricultural tractors. This tractor is the Amos A4, a new, more capable model with a compact but modular design. It is fully electric with a 34 to 40 horsepower PTO and an 8-hour battery life. Instead of conventional wheels, the tractor is equipped with 12-inch wide treads that reduce soil compaction and enhance its traction on any terrain. With a ground clearance of 13 inches and a weight of roughly 3 tons, this tractor can compete with the finest compact diesel utility tractors. The tractor offers full autonomy with advanced machine learning algorithms, state-of-the-art stereo cameras, radar, and specialized graphics processors. It features obstacle avoidance capabilities to see an object, analyze it, and decide the best path to move ahead. The field mapping feature during operations shares data with the operators to review and plan the best way to approach the field for the most efficient future field operation. Thanks to its compact design, the Amos can fit on a trailer pulled by a normal-sized pickup, enabling easy transport between fields. Andreoli Engineering is an Italian company that produces atomizers and agricultural machines with high technology and innovation. One of its flagship products is the Eco 1500. It is a spraying machine capable of applying chemicals to diverse types of orchards. It has a 396-gallon tank capacity and a discharge pump with a flow rate of 21 gallons per minute. It also has a stainless steel VAC compressor with a 35-inch fan diameter and a 37,000 cubic foot per minute air output. The sprayer features a double air outlet and a system of guide vanes that eradicate turbulence and guarantee a uniform and symmetrical application. Damcon BV is a 50-year-old Dutch company renowned for manufacturing tree nursery machines. The Damcon KLR 3002M from this company is a true masterpiece. It is the biggest model in the Damcon KLR series, ideal for avenue tree nurseries and large projects that require tree transplantation. It is capable of relocating large trees along with their root ball. Its two semi-spherical blades can take a root ball of 6.6 feet in diameter to preserve crucial roots. The machine can be attached to a wheel loader or an excavator, and has a hydraulic root ball support and a tree clamp to keep the tree stable during transport. Moreover, it is easy to operate and has a low maintenance cost. If you subscribe, make sure to leave a comment, and we'll personally reply to you. Nexat is a German company focused on the search for technological development applied to the agricultural industry and develop state-of-the-art equipment. This company has developed a vehicle to carry out all types of agricultural work, from tilling and planting to harvesting. This machine works as a wide-span carrier vehicle and is compatible with interchangeable modules to perform different applications, including tillage, sowing, plant protection, and harvesting. One person can replace or swap out these attachment modules in less than 10 minutes. The machine has a 550 horsepower diesel engine that generates electric power to run the machine. In the future, it will use hydrogen fuel. Thanks to its unique design, this machine can cultivate fields as wide as 78 feet in one go. Highline Manufacturing is an innovative manufacturer of agricultural equipment and industrial apparatus based in Vonda, Saskatchewan, Canada. This company has introduced AccuMix 1000 TMR. It is a ration mixer that can handle large volumes of feed ingredients. It has a capacity of up to 1,000 cubic feet and can mix up to 28,000 pounds of feed per batch. The mixer features a patented auger design that ensures fast and thorough mixing. Its hydraulic discharge door allows for easy unloading. The machine incorporates a scale system that monitors the feed's weight and moisture, and its wireless remote control allows for convenient operation. This machine is perfect for dairy and beef producers who want to optimize their feed efficiency and animal performance. Game Equipment LLC is renowned for manufacturing tractors, scraper tractors, sugarcane loaders, haulers, and planters, plus pineapple farming equipment and vegetable sprayers. This machine is one of their pineapple harvesters. It can pick pineapples from big farms quickly and effectively. The harvester boasts a 121 horsepower engine and a hydraulic system for cutting, lifting, and loading pineapples onto a trailer. It can work in various soil and weather conditions and requires little maintenance. Engineers with decades of experience designing harvesting equipment have designed this machine, which is why it is very popular with pineapple farmers. Braun is a Canadian company manufacturing a wide range of specialized equipment for the agricultural and construction industries. The company developed a line of self-propelled drainage plows to facilitate drainage pipe installation. As the largest model, the Braun 585 can plow up to 7 foot 6 inch deep and install a 12-inch diameter pipe. It weighs between 86,000 and 93,000 pounds, but exerts only 5.5 psi of ground pressure. The Braun 585 features a heavy-duty cutting blade and a plunger plate that aids in maintaining a constant depth of cut without compromising tool life. It boasts a 536 horsepower Cat engine and can work in various soil conditions. Compost developed specialized equipment for the treatment and processing of biodegradable waste. Some of its most recognizable equipment are its Compost windrow turners called Top Turn X's, which stand out in the market for being powerful and self-propelled. Here we have the Compost Top Turn X5000. It is a powerful compost turner that can handle large volumes of organic waste. It has a robust frame and a high-performance engine that delivers up to 483 horsepower. The Top Turn X5000 can turn piles up to 21.3 feet wide and 8.2 feet high, with a turning capacity of up to 5,070 cubic yards per hour. The Top Turn X5000 also features a hydraulically adjustable drum that can adapt to different pile heights and densities. It optimizes the composting process and produces high-quality compost in a short time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.